Stirring it slowly, everyone likes it better when it's made with love. Isn't it, Sis Venus? Very true, Sis Pearl. Good, Lemon notices when food is cooked with care. I added a little extra love. My love Lily always comes back for second. And Angel will smile first, then eat quietly, like always. Tulip will pretend he's not hungry, but he'll finish the bowl. Tulip likes millet. Sis Pearl, put some extra millet. That's family. Everyone different, everyone together. Let's serve it warm. Food tastes best when shared with love. Lily, Lemon Angel, Tulip, come fast, dinner is ready.